Look at that lace, you guys. Look at that lace, you guys. This is what I'm talking about. Sensational is on it again.
Do hits the roof. My city's on the move. Fuck a tube, no cap, I'm outie. Everything I feel is on the news.
Hola chicas y chicos, welcome to my channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal. For today's video, I got another wig review sent to me by Sensational. Shout out to them. I am so proud to say that they're sending me wigs already, and they're one of my favorite wigs, so I just had to put that out there, you guys. This unit is the Celeste wig in the Money Piece Blonde. I have reviewed this one before, so I will leave a link to her up here somewhere on the screen if you guys were interested in the other color. I had that one in the Money Piece Caramel, and this one's in the Money Piece Blonde. So it's like a darker root, and it blends into this like chocolatey, warm chocolatey color. And then the tips are frosted with a 613, it looks like, and blended in between. So it is their HD lace, which is awesome. Like, I don't know if you guys know about Sensational, but Sensational has one of the best HD laces out there, in my opinion. Yeah, this is what their undetectable lace is supposed to look like compared to the other regular, I guess the other regular wigs. I don't know. So yeah, it is safe up to 350 to 400 degrees of heat if you guys decide to put heat on her, guys. If you guys are interested to see how I style her, then go ahead and keep watching. I will leave it in chapters, so if you guys don't want to watch it and skip forward, go ahead. But yeah, you guys, again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the love. I got some special viewers out there, and I am so thankful for you guys. Sorry you guys, this video was kind of everywhere. My camera wasn't cooperating, so it's choppy. But I also wanted to let you guys know that this is a 13x6 lace part, free part wig. So you could basically part it anywhere you want. I decided to part it on the side because I did the other Celeste in the middle part, and I just wanted to see what it do to the side.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7 every other second.
You guys, this is my finished look for Celeste, and she is so pretty. Like, I really didn't like the blend on this unit, like the color blend, but that's why I decided to go ahead and do like a side part on her. And I think it worked out a little very long. I don't believe the stock card says how long she is, but it's long and it's silky, so keep in mind, you guys, that this is a tangly unit. But besides that, this is a cute color in my opinion. At first I didn't really like it that much, but I think to the side it looks cute. Like, it's just different and cute, you know. I did miss the recording. Like, my phone's been acting up, so I'm just trying to hurry up and like finish this video. It's been like heating up because it's hot, I guess. Now it's summer and I got the lights on, and it keeps like stopping the recording while I'm recording without the storage being full, so I don't understand. But let me just hurry up and tell you guys that this is a cute unit. I forgot how much she goes for, but I will leave it somewhere here in the screen. I don't know what else to tell you guys. So I did the baby hairs off camera if you guys missed that, because it wasn't recording when I thought it was. And look at that lace, you guys. Look at that lace, you guys. This is what I'm talking about. Sensational is on it. Again, they're killing it in the synthetic world game. I know they have some human hair. I just don't know much about how their human hairs are, so I can't really speak on that. I am getting some shit in because I cut some of the lace off real short, so I know some of the hairs are still stuck in between the rest of the unit. It's a really cute summer wig, maybe for like a day, because I don't see, it's already hot and you know, it's a lot of hair, so maybe like a more of a winter, fall, or like a cool day if you're gonna be indoors for sure, or just like a photo shoot. This is definitely a show-stopping wig. All right, but you guys, that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if you guys have any questions for me, go ahead and leave it in the comment box as well. I love you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. Be blessed. Bye.
You ain't nothing but a dog player. I get it. Fraud.